Good morning to respected Chairman Sir, Principal Sir, my fellow teachers and my dear students. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary. First of all, thank you so much for providing me chance to introduce myself in the morning assembly. Basically, I am from Meerut. I am M.Com, B.Ed, M.Ed. I appointed here as commerce teacher. This is my second job. Before this, I was serving in DD Academy as PGT Commerce. Today is my second day at this campus. I just met with few fellow teachers. They are very supportive. As a teacher, it's my responsibility and duty to help my students in all areas and to encourage them to give their best. I would love to share my skills and knowledge to my students. We know that no one is perfect, but it will be my pleasure in giving this organization my 100%. I assure to Principal Sir, I would try my best to provide quality education, to instill passion and inspiration for my subject. If we aim for excellence under a framework, that means we are on right path and will definitely reach to the success. My best wishes are always with you. Thank you.